as promised, I am bringing specific topics in the solar system. So, first, wait. Okay, I just got something. Can you see this? What is this? This is the Earth and this is the Sun. Am I correct? Now everybody knows this, yeah, right? But the cute thing about this is rotate the Earth. Wait. See? It is orbiting. It is revolving. Isn't it cute? See. I just love it. And I thought to show with you because it's so cute. And the smiles are pretty cute. Right? So, forget about that and now let's start. So, what do you know about the sun? Can you tell me what you know about the sun? It is a very big. It produces heat and light. It is the father of the solar system, the main organ, right? What else do you know? I know that you know many things, but now I'm going to tell you some unknown facts about the sun. Okay, so if I ask you how big is the sun, what will you tell me? Oh gosh, it's so big. So big. Right? You'll tell like that. Okay, but now I ask that how big? What would you answer? It is big. Now, how can I tell you? Okay, sir, I'm telling you with the help of an example. If the sun was hollow means अगर वो खाली होता like a डिब्बा, you have खाली डिब्बाs at home, डिब्बास, okay? तो अगर वो sphere है, what is sun? Sun is sphere. तो अगर वो खाली होता sphere, sun इतना बड़ा है, तो उतना खाली होता अगर sun, so we can fit for over 1.3 million Earth. Have you traveled the whole Earth? Like, have you calculated how big it is? Well, we don't know, right? But we know that it is very huge. Isn't it? So, we can fit for over 1 million Earths in the sun if it was hollow. Is it fascinating? Well, it is to me. Okay, now if you are not satisfied with this, I have one more example. Okay, if the Earth was a basketball, okay, a small basketball, the sun is big basketball court. Like when you play basketball, how big it is, isn't it? So if the basketball is the Earth, the basketball court, okay, the area where you play basketball is the sun. Now are you imagining the size that how big it is? Okay, now I didn't tell you the measurements, but I told you, I made you imagine that how big it is, isn't it? Am I true? Okay. Now the next one. We all know that sun is made up of hydrogen and helium. But how much hydrogen does the sun have? Now you would be like, kya question? Like, what kind of questions are you asking, dude? Okay, so just imagine how much. Now let me tell you a fact and then you will think that the number I thought was correct or not. Okay, so the fact is that sun uses more than 3 million tons of hydrogen, not in a day but in a second. Now imagine how much hydrogen does the sun has. Like it is using 4 million tons of hydrogen in just a second. Like boom, 4 million tons of hydrogen is used. And still, it has that much amount of hydrogen, that it can continuously shine for more than 5 million years starting from now. And I'm not talking about a million, but I'm talking about billion. 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 And it is like so much. We don't know what would happen because हम तो होंगे ही नहीं. For sure we would not be there. But we can take a peek through the the heaven? Can we? We can ask to God, right? Okay. So, मैं फालतू बातें ज़्यादा कर रही हूँ. Now the next point is, पहले you will be thinking कि क्या कॉपी कर रहे हो, नीचे से like सब कुछ जो लिखा हुआ है वो बोलो. और actually सब कुछ नहीं लिखा हुआ है, but the content is about 2.5 pages. So I can't remember that in just 1 hour because मैंने अभी ही लिखा. Okay. Now sun is very important. We all know that sun is very important, right? The plants and animals and we humans, like we are completely dependent on the sun. Even the weather, the climate, the clouds, the rain, the heat, the light, everything is got from the sun. Like there would be nothing possible without the sun. And I would say, you would say that nothing is impossible in this world. The sun is very important, and like it is so important. It is amulya. It is amulya. Next one. Now, have you heard about the 3 layers of the earth? The crust, the mantle, and the core. Right? The inside part, very inside. It is a core. Now, even sun has its own core. And how much big is the core? It is about Jupiter, as big as a Jupiter. Like, can you imagine? That's so big. And why am I shouting that? I don't know why am I shouting so much because I'm getting so excited. Okay. Now the core has its own 2 layers. They are the radiative zone and the convective zone. Very hard word. For me also it was very hard when I first read it. Now see this, what I got when I searched on Google. Can you just see these pictures? Just have a look, read it. Okay, just read it. You can pause the screen. So yes, I hope you read these both things. Go away. Yeah, nice. Okay. Now the words like the photon and many words were written. It was just a nightmare for a student of 5th and 6th like me. I think that we just need to remember that it has 2 layers and radiative zone is just after the core. Because if we go in deeper, we would just forget what we have learned. Now, guess the temperature. आज मैं आपको बहुत सोचने के लिए बोल रही हूँ, बहुत guess करो. Guess the temperature of the Earth's core. It is in million. I am telling you it is in million degrees Celsius. The million number is what? 15 million degrees Celsius. Oh, that's so much, right? हम लोग अभी it's about 33 and I'm like it's so hot. So it is 15 million degrees Celsius. Yeah, that's a fact. And अगर Fahrenheit में करें so it is 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. So I've told about Fahrenheit में 27 million and Celsius में 15 million. Next one. Okay, one more thing, guys. If you want to say something to me, if you want to ask something, if you have any ideas for the video, here is the Gmail ID, email ID. I mean, you can just message there. If you have anything, like if you have anything to share with me, the idea of a video or a video on which you want me to do something, anything, like literally anything. Here is the email ID. You can message me there, okay? So, next thing, now 2 more is left, 2 more facts. The first one is, the real name of the sun is Solis, which is God from a Greek sun god named Helios. Okay, it is Helios. And now, उन God के name से बना Solis, okay, I mean Solis, S-O-L-I-S. But Solis को अभी हमको वो भी बड़ा लग रहा था, इसलिए हमने बना दिया sun. Done. Okay, and the last one, you know what? Even the sun rotates. But it rotates in every 26 days. Like it is an approximate thing. I don't know the exact one, but it's the approximate thing that sun rotates in every 26 days. It rotates. So that was it for today. I hope you learned, got something in your mind that was new today. So keep it in mind, don't forget it. And yes, one more thing, कि आप लोग subscribe क्यों नहीं करते भाई? Like, why don't you subscribe, dude? We are like just some subscribers left in our family to cross 1K. So why don't you help us? अरे यार इसमें कंजूसी. अगर हमने थोड़ा सा भी, because facts are facts, right? If you are 10 or if you are 30, facts are facts. Because there is something that you are learning new. So why don't you subscribe? Because now ये जो series है उसमें आपको इतने सारे facts पता चल रहे हैं कि you'll have a little bit of knowledge, like at least a little bit of knowledge of the solar system, because we can't have just everything, but we have something, so we need to collect it, right? Subscribe. इतना बड़ा भाषण मैंने सब्सक्राइब के लिए दिया था, इसीलिए हर रोज ना कहो, इसीलिए सब्सक्राइब करो, ओके? So yes, that is it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.